Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? Today, I'll be sharing with you an international students festival that is happening in Tunisia, and it is called Iswit. If this is something that you are interested in, they will pay for your flights, your accommodation, your feeding, your transportation, and everything that you need for the duration of the conference. If you are interested in this information, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end of this video. And if you're new here, please, I want to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a channel subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you to you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always sharing my videos. Thank you for telling a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about my videos. So thank you. I appreciate you guys. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper, so I don't need to be told or reminded. Let me just go ahead and introduce myself while you introduce yourself as well. So please, what is your name? Where are you watching from? What do you do for a living? How did you find my channel? Let me know in the comments. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 2 videos every week. Make it a date to join me on this channel like every single day. Yes, come to this channel every day. There's something for you. And I've compiled a list, so many numerous national students festivals. You pay for your flights, your travel, your accommodation, everything that you need for the duration of the conference. Without further ado, let's get right into this business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of Iswit? Iswit stands for International Students Week in Tunisia. What if I told you that you could join a fully funded student festival in Tunisia where Mediterranean culture meets global youth dialogue? Yes, so welcome to Iswit Tunisia. Yes, so Iswit Tunisia is a rising star in the world of students festival. I call it Iswit, but they say Iswit Tunisia. Iswit Tunisia. They bring together passionate students from across the globe to discuss peace building, development, and intercultural understanding. It is held in coastal cities like Sousse and Tunis, and they offer a unique blend of academic engagement and cultural exploration. And here is what is covered. Participants get free accommodation, meals, and local transportation. Travel support may be available depending on sponsorship and partnership. You will have to stay in hostels or university housing and enjoy traditional Tunisian food and hospitality. Iswit Tunisia is looking for students who are passionate about dialogue and diversity. If you're someone that loves to, you love to discuss, you love to have dialogue, they're looking for you. And here are some things to note, some points to note. Your application should reflect your commitments to social change, your openness to new cultures, and your desire to collaborate. Share any relevant experiences, whether volunteering, activism, or even leadership roles that you've engaged in the past. This festival is known for its warmth and inclusivity. You're going to participate in workshops, in cultural nights, and excursions to historic sites. Many participants have said that it helped them to build their confidence, expand their worldview, and to find their voice as global citizens. So make sure that you follow Iswit Tunisia on Instagram and stay tuned for application and announcements. And if you're ready to explore Tunisia and connect with change makers from around the world now, this is your chance. And if you need help with your application, I will love to support you. All you need to do is just reach out to me. Me. So if you want to experience the Mediterranean while engaging in youth dialogue, guys, my people, I'm going to repeat myself. Iswit Tunisia is the place to be. Why? Because Iswit Tunisia brings students together to discuss peace. You're going to be discussing developments and regional challenges in a stunning coastal setting. You don't want to miss it. They cover your accommodation, they cover your food, your feeding, and they cover your travel support. Yes. And when these dates are scheduled, they vary, but it's usually held in summer. So follow them on Instagram for more updates. And here is why you should apply. You're going to engage in meaningful dialogue. You're going to have to explore the Tunisian culture, build global friendships. So guys, don't sleep on it. Stay tuned for application announcements. This is your chance to actually make an impact. Do you know that there are lots and lots of travel, international students festivals, and fully funded conferences? Especially, I'm focusing on fully funded conferences for you guys, because I know a lot of people want to just keep the money part. A lot of people are unable to afford all these trips and scholarships and all of that. And that's why I always ask you, have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you don't think it's possible because you're broke? I am here to tell you, to demystify that thing that makes you feel that traveling abroad is impossible for you because you don't have money. You can actually travel the world world for free. With fully funded conferences like this one, it's going to open doors for you, open doors to opportunities that you never knew existed before now. And you might look at names as sounding similar to themselves. Iswit Tunisia, right? The first one I actually came in contact with was almost 20 years ago. It's called Iswit International Student Festival in Trondheim in Norway. But I was unable to attend that one. I was unable to attend that particular festival because I couldn't get the visa. But thankfully, I was able to attend World Bank Conference same year, so nothing lost. So I decided to research Iswit again, and I discovered that the next Iswit festival is actually in 2027. I do not know the reason why. In Norway, it's happening in Trondheim in Norway in 2027. But I decided to look for student festivals that are happening right that you can apply for right now. A lot of them are happening in 2026 and 2025, like late 2025. So please go ahead and quickly apply for these opportunities. Even if you miss out on this year's festival, I'm very sure you can always, this video never expires, so you can always just check the website and see if the next one is now available. So guys, it's a win-win situation regardless. Please do well to like this video, do well to share this video, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. If you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and do that right now. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. You can say I'm reminding you the second time. I want to know your name. What is your name? Where are you watching from? And what do you do for a living? How did you find my video? Let me know in the comment. And yes, to all my returning subscribers, thank you. I know you're going to share this video out. So share this video with your friends, your enemies, your village members, your besties, and everybody that you know, your church groups, your mosque groups, Naira Land, Facebook groups. Just share this video the way you always share those interesting videos. Share this video, is going to add value to a lot of people. Go ahead and share. And if you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, go ahead and join my Patreon community. You can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. You can discuss all things. You can book a one-on-one consultation with me after you have joined my Patreon community, or you can use the join button right next to the subscribe button right there. Yes, right here. Use that button, join button, to be part of my inner caucus, and then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things travel, study abroad, and everything in between. And besties, I need your help for the first time. Yes, on this channel. I need you to help me suggest a fantastic name for my community members here on this channel. What name do you think I should give to them? Let's name us together, my community members. What name do you suggest I give them? Is it, I don't know, nothing is actually coming right now, but I want to hear your thoughts on this subject matter. Let me know what you think. What names you suggest that I name my community members. So that'll be all for now. And I'm also still I'm doing a giveaway of $100 cash gifts. Just add 50 people to my Telegram community and you are on your way to winning my $100 cash gift. When you're done adding 50 people, then come back to this video and let me know how many people you were able to add. Let's take it to the next level. Yes, you just might be the next winner. You might be my winner, and I'm going to send the money anywhere you are in the world. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and check out this video right here.